Hey guys, so I am back with another video. This is going to be all about highlighter, which is why I don't have any on. I am going to be showing you some super affordable, really great quality highlighters today. I only have 3 and I wish I had more, but this is all I could find at Ulta, and I don't want to order them online and then not like them and not be able to return them. And the great thing about Ulta is you can return anything if you aren't satisfied. So I am just going to be showing you the LA Girl Strobe Lite powder. I have 3 of these. I will swatch each of them for you, and then I'll try to put all of them on maybe. One of them is going to be like a review, the others would be kind of like first impression because I have already worn this one. This is the 110 watt, super soft and extremely intense, like it's crazy. Show you guys so you can see. I don't know how well that's showing up on camera, but it's like super pigmented and intense in person. Like, it's insane how intense these are. And like I said, they're super soft. They're extremely soft. It's kind of crazy how soft they are. And this one, the 110, it's not really white. It's actually more of like a really pale gold. It's super pretty though. I love it. That's the one that I already wore. Now we have 50 watt, and again, soft, but for some reason this one is not as soft as the other. It's still soft, but not as soft, but still super intense. And I'll swatch that on the back of my hand. And I feel like this one, because it's a little bit darker, it doesn't show up as well, especially on my skin tone, because this really matches my skin tone, but it really is like super shiny. And then we have 100 watt, and this is similar to the first one. It's a tad bit darker, so I'm gonna swatch this for you guys. Again, really soft, and that was the first one, so I'm going to put that right there so you can see. Like I said, super pigmented, and they're all really neutral colors that you can wear every day, but they're really glowy and intense. And if you ask me, I think the most intense is definitely the middle one, and then after that this one, and then this one. The undertone of these is just, you know, they're each kind of different. This top one looks a little more white, this one looks kind of gold, and this has more of a champagne color. My favorite is the 110, and I'm just going to be taking an M510 brush, and I'm just going to take 110. You get a lot of product, you guys. Like, look at how much product that is. It's gonna be a lot. So I'm going to put this on my cheekbones. Might turn down the exposure a little bit. Still trying to figure out this camera. Sometimes it overexposes, sometimes it's perfect. It's just iffy. It's pretty good exposure. It kind of looks a lot darker, but I think you'll be able to see the difference in this lighting. So just applying that. Face the light more so you guys can see. I love this highlight, oh my gosh. Like, a look at how intense that is. It's not, on the first try, at least with this brush, it's not that intense, in my opinion. But could be the brush I'm using. And also I don't mind it because it really doesn't take much more after that to get it intense if you want it. And I'm making this super intense so you guys can really see on camera. But it's definitely a pale gold color, which I love gold highlighters. Not like dark gold, but you know, pale gold colors is my favorite. So now I'm going to do the other side. And I think I'm actually going to use something different. I think I'm going to try out on my M501 brush. I'm going to try out 100 watt. That looks super, super similar to the 110. You're probably gonna hear my roommates above me. Sorry. So, don't know if you can see that. It's taking a little more of this one to get it to that intensity, but it still looks really glowy. Now this side looks crazy compared to the other. So you've really got to build this one up if you want it to be intense. So, you know, you just got to figure out like what matters to you. Do you want that intense glow? Do you not? I'm trying to build it up to the same as this one, but actually it's kind of difficult because I don't know if it's just the lighting, but I'm not seeming to be able to get it to the same intensity. Still doesn't look as intense as this one. But a lot of times I put highlighter on and I'll put the same highlighter on both sides of my face. And sorry, I keep looking at the monitor. I'm sorry. It's gonna take me forever to get used to being able to see myself. But I'll put highlighter on and I noticed that it always looks better on this side. I don't know. I can't figure out why that is. Let me know if you guys notice a difference. Is it just me? Like, am I just crazy? I don't know. They're both really pretty. Honestly, on the skin, they look the same except for the intensity. And if you're gonna buy one or the other, the 110 or the 100, I would personally go with the 110. It takes a lot less product. It is a cheap product, but at the same time, you don't want to be using a ton of your product regardless of what it is. You can make it subtle. You can also make it intense. So I feel like this one is the best bet for sure. But this one is also good. If you can't find the 110, 100 looks pretty much the same. This one's a little bit darker, but they basically look the same. Now I think I'll take a little bit of maybe the 50 watt and maybe just put that in the center of my face because it's like a skin tone color. So I feel like it's not going to be too intense. I could be wrong though. So I'm still taking that same brush. And I'm going to go on my chin. I feel like this would be a better summer color for me, honestly. Because right now it kind of matches my skin tone. So it's like really dark. But in the summer it would be really, really pretty when you have a tan. See my finger go down my nose. Okay, I can see it a little better, but I guess it's just because it matches my skin right now. Now it does show a little bit of texture, so I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and kind of pat that out right there just because it's showing a little bit of texture. Overall though, it's super, super good, super affordable. The 110 is absolutely the best, like hands down. And then the 50, I'm a little iffy on because where it kind of matches my skin tone now, I really don't know. I feel like on someone who's darker though, it would look really, really pretty. They're all super soft, they're all creamy, they'll look almost wet on the skin. And like I said, I love it. I would definitely repurchase the 110 for sure, because I'll put some more on just to really amp it up. For I think they retail for like $7 something. LA Girl Strobe Lite strobing powders is what this is called, and they are $7.99 at Ulta or $6.56 at Walmart. So apparently they're sold at Walmart. They range from $7 to $8. So there you go. You can also get them on Hush, which, by the way, you guys, let me know if you want me to do a video on Shop Hush. If you don't know what Hush is, it's an app where you just literally, like, they take a product and then they dupe it. And they even have one for the Nicole Guerrero Anastasia Glow Kit that was limited edition that I wanted so bad. I saw where they have the Athena palette and the Aphrodite palette that are the 2 dupes for the Huda Beauty palettes. And then I also saw where they have dupes for the Huda Beauty highlighter palettes, and they have dupes for the Huda Beauty Obsessions palettes, which I have one of those so I can compare it to one at least. And they have dupes for, you know, like the Anastasia, Modern Renaissance, Subculture, and I think they have dupes for the Kylie Naughty and Nice palettes. I'm pretty sure I saw those the other day. So if you would like to see a video on Shop Hush, I'm dying to do one. So just let me know if you guys would be interested in that. It's super affordable makeup. So anywho, just let me know if you want me to do something like that. I think that would be super fun. I'm really interested in doing that, and I probably will really soon. If you guys want to see any more drugstore looks, let me know. That is all I have today. I just want to show you guys these highlighters really quick because I thought it was amazing that you can get an intense glow for $7 to $8 from a highlighter at the drugstore. It's freaking awesome. I love it when highlighters and awesome products come out the drugstore, and I love the drugstore, honestly. So anywho, that is it for today. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you would like to see more videos from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.